Your lungs are working harder right now than they should be, and if you've been waking up at night, coughing, feeling that heavy, stuffy chest, or clearing your throat constantly, the food on your plate may be making it worse every single day. Today we're talking about something that doesn't get nearly enough attention: how what you eat directly affects mucus buildup in your airways. And the good news? You don't need prescriptions or complicated routines. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which foods can help thin mucus, soothe irritated airways, and support easier breathing, starting with your very next meal. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Mucus itself isn't the enemy. Your body actually makes it on purpose. It traps dust, germs, and irritants before they reach your lungs. The problem happens when too much builds up, or when it gets thick and sticky, and suddenly breathing feels like work. For seniors especially, changes in circulation and immunity mean your body handles congestion differently than it used to. That stuffy, heavy feeling in your chest or throat after meals, that's your body sending you a signal. The good news is that small, consistent changes to what you eat and drink can help keep that mucus thinner, help it move more easily, and reduce that irritating feeling in your throat and chest, often within just a few days of making simple swaps. Let's start with the single most powerful thing you can do today. Stay warm and hydrated. Thin mucus is easy mucus, and the best way to thin it is with warm fluids throughout your day. Think herbal teas like ginger or chamomile, a warm bowl of broth or chicken soup, and water-rich fruits like watermelon, oranges, and cantaloupe. Ginger especially deserves a spotlight here. It has natural soothing properties that feel genuinely comforting on an irritated throat. A little fresh ginger grated into hot water makes one of the gentlest, most effective teas you can drink. Add garlic and onions to your soups and stews too. Their natural sulfur compounds support your immune system and help keep your airways more comfortable. These aren't exotic ingredients. They're probably already in your kitchen. Inflammation in your airways is one of the biggest reasons breathing feels labored, and the right foods can genuinely calm that down. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, and ground flaxseed are your best friends here. These fats actively reduce airway inflammation, not just mask symptoms. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard bring powerful antioxidants that support your immune response and reduce irritation in your throat and lungs. And don't overlook colorful vegetables. Broccoli, peppers, carrots. At least 2 servings a day makes a real difference. Vitamin C foods like oranges, kiwi fruit, and strawberries round out this group beautifully. Even a small piece of fruit with each meal is enough to support your immune system and keep inflammation in check. These are foods your lungs genuinely love. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Your gut health has a direct impact on your respiratory comfort. A healthy gut supports overall immune balance, and that immune balance influences how your airways respond to irritants. That's why probiotic foods are such a valuable addition to your daily routine. Plain yogurt with live cultures, kefir, miso soup, sauerkraut. These support the good bacteria in your gut that keep your immune system working smoothly. If you're lactose intolerant, plant-based yogurts fortified with live cultures work just as well. The simple goal is this: aim for a probiotic food once a day. Pair it with a sprinkle of ground flaxseed or some fresh berries, and you've got a powerful lung-supporting snack that takes about 30 seconds to put together. Your gut and your lungs are more connected than you think. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps us reach more seniors who need this information. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video, and drop a comment below telling me, which of these foods are you going to try first? I read every single one. And if you want the probiotic supplement I recommend for respiratory and gut support, the link is in the description. You are already doing something wonderful for yourself just by being here and learning. Small, steady changes. 1 warm cup of ginger tea, 1 extra serving of greens, really do add up to breathing easier week by week. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.